Starting. Ready?
Cause it's what you deserve. You sacrifice so much of your life in order for this to work.
You got this.
Well, I'm out chasing my own dreams, sailing around the world. Please, to keep my beautiful girl. You cry, piece of my heart dies, knowing that I may have been the cause. If you were to leave, fulfill someone else's dream, I think I might totally be lying. Well, you don't ask for no diamond rings, no delicate string of pearls. Please know that I'm yours to keep.